Hello children, today we will start chapter number 15, that is The Blind Boxer, which is written by Nimish Dubey. Courage, hard work and determination are needed to get or attain success in life. Yes, these three things are required to get success in life. This is a story about the two boxers. Their names are Cassius Clay and Sonny Liston. They both are boxers and associated with boxing. Clay and Liston were on fight on February 25, 1964. A contest for the World Heavyweight Boxing title was held on February 25, 1964. People had turned up in thousands to witness a fight between the most seasoned fighters of all time. That is Sonny Liston and Cassius Clay. Cassius Clay was a newcomer. Cassius Clay was described as a relative newcomer as he was competing with one of the seasoned fighters of all time. That is the Sonny Liston. He was always be a winner. The ringside observers had crossed themselves because they were praying for the life of Cassius Clay. They had predicted that the fight would be one-sided, as they thought that Sonny Liston will batter Clay, we can say will defeat Clay. But their prediction was wrong. It was Liston who got beaten. Liston, who was considered to be indestructible, was suddenly being battered by a young contender, breaking the image of being indestructible. This made him look very human. It was only suspected that Liston's cornerman means coach, might have put some of the ointment on Clay. He was having some injury on his leg only. Clay was in great discomfort and was not being able to even open his eyes properly. In the fifth round, saw the tide turn. Something had got into Clay's eyes, making him blind. This gave an advantage to Liston. He started blowing punch after punch at Clay, but the latter kept getting out of the way of Liston's lethal punches. Clay's victory showcased the pure grit and determination of a fighter man. Without his determination, Clay would not have been able to win the fight. Initially, after getting blinded, Clay wanted to back out. But soon he was back in the ring to fight Dundee. Who is Dundee? Dundee was the Clay's trainer. He pushed him into the ring. He wanted Clay to fight as it was an important round. At first, Clay seemed to be resist. He wanted to get out from the ring. But hearing his trainer and his supporters, he stepped back into the fight. Fighting with Liston, the most dreaded boxer in the history of boxing, they two blinded, was the biggest challenge, but he turned in his favor. But if he could not see, he had ears to hear. He couldn't able to see properly, but he was having the ears to hear the words of the trainer. So he heard the instructions given by his concerned cornerman. Cornerman means given by the instruction which is given by the trainer, and kept getting out of the words, out of the way of Liston's punches. Soon he regained his eyesight and defeated the world champion Liston. He defeated Liston. Clay fought like a true fighter. He didn't give up until he won the fight. At last, he was the winner by his strong determination, by his strong hard work and courage. It leads towards the success. This is all in this chapter. Thank you.